Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'll be talking about the software development engineer backend role that has opened up at Juspay. This is a full-time role where you'll have to be present in office in Bangalore. As an employee at Juspay, you'll be working on their core problems pertaining to their centers of excellence. So, it is a balance of framework development and business enablement. You need to be having some knowledge of SDK, building UI UX experiences that enable frictionless user payments and enable merchants to manage payment options, multiple payment options. Some knowledge of backend definitely will be required, business logic to handle evolving payment requirements, data science knowledge also they want you to have because there are more than a billion transactions that need to be automated, and you need to have intelligent payment operations for this. Now, what they want you to be enthusiastic about when you are applying is you need to be able to architect expensive framework using deep functional programming languages, some interest in solving reliability and performance problems on a large scale, some interest in developing low code and no code solutions, and definitely you should be excited about managing merchants big and small with zero issues. So these are all the capabilities and qualities, interests that they would want you to have. As such, they have not mentioned any kind of experience, work experience or internship knowledge that should be accompanying you. So yes, this role is completely open for freshers. Now moving on to the hiring process that they generally follow for this round. So the recruitment process at Juspay, it revolves around 4 to 6 rounds, depending on the role. For this particular role, you'll be starting with an MCQ round, basic questions, multiple choice questions focused on CS fundamentals. The passing marks that you will have to obtain will be 67%, and apart from your computer science MCQ questions, you might also be asked to solve some coding questions. Now, for your second round, this will completely be a coding round where you'll have to be solving 3 lead code medium to hard DSA questions. These won't be standard problems that you have solved on lead code. There will be some tricks involved in how to solve these questions. The cutoff again is 67%, so you need to solve at least 2 problems completely to get through this round. Make sure to try and pass as many test cases as possible. Now, after your second coding round, you will have to sit for a third round, which is called their Hackathon A round, and this is a specific or special round that Juspay conducts where there is only one question to solve, and every year they will ask the same question in this round, which is the tree of space problem. Very standard question when it comes to Juspay. So definitely go through the solution before sitting for this round, and stick with the functional programming solution in order to make it easier to optimize later. So that is gonna be your third round. Now, there is a new round which is a comparatively recent addition to their hiring process. That is an eliminatory puzzle round. So they will be asking 2 puzzles and 2 coding questions here, and the puzzles were moderate to difficult level. Now, after you get through this eliminatory round, you will have to sit for the standard Hackathon B round. Now, another traditional round of Juspay. But what is important to remember here is they will let you optimize the same tree of space problem that you have solved in your Hackathon A round, and this time you will have an interviewer accompanying you on Slack, on Zoom. So here, whatever problem or whatever level of solution that you had portrayed in your first hackathon A round, you will have to improvise on it, optimize the time complexity, space complexity as much as possible. Thread safety will have to be implemented without the use of any locks or share mutex. So this is not to test if you can implement locks, or this is not to stress test you, but it is to manually figure out and solve edge cases. And yes, you will be having a very supportive interviewer, and this will be a very long interview. It can go beyond 6 hours based on how much time you take. So this is your fifth round, and after this, if they want you to be evaluated further, they might ask you some questions on CS fundamental topics directly in the interview in round 6. But apart from this, in round 6, they will also be testing you with HR questions, standard cultural round. They'll see how much motivated you are to join the company and so on. So these are the rounds that you'll have to sit for to get into this backend software engineering role at Juspay. I have attached the link to the application window in the description of my video. Go ahead, apply before the link expires. And if you guys are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. And hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.